All right, let's talk about horizontal and vertical lines. And as we continue with the table of values. So this particular page, I want to just give a acronym for horizontal lines and vertical lines. First, with horizontal lines, we're going to use the term HOY, H-O-Y, where for H, the graph will be a horizontal line, and all horizontal lines will have a 0 slope, and the equation will look like y equals to some number, where the graph crosses the y-axis. For example, we have here y is equal to -4. Now, if we make a table of values, we can do it this way, or we can just remember this acronym HOY. Horizontal, slope is 0, and the equation will be y equals to some number. But if we use a table of values, what this is saying is no matter what, y, for the coordinate of y, it can only be -4. So for the y table, we're going to plug -4 in. But for the x values, we can plug in any number that we want. Any number. Okay, so when we graph this, we have 0, -4, -1, -4. We have 4, 4, 4, excuse me, -4. If we want to say -10, -4, but look at the shape of the line. Its shape is going into, or it's becoming a horizontal line. Another way to look at this is that all horizontal lines horizontal lines are parallel to the x-axis. So acronym for here again, horizontal lines, HOY. The graph will be horizontal, the slope is 0, your equation will look like y is equal to some number. For vertical lines, we're going to use the acronym VUX, V-U-X, where the graph will be a vertical line, vertical lines will have an undefined slope. And the equation will look like x is equal to some number, where the graph crosses the x-axis. VUX, V-U-X, vertical line, undefined slope, x is equal to some number. Now, just like we would for the horizontal line, we can create a table of values given the equation x is equal to 2. Well, what this is saying that for the column of x, we can only plug or substitute the value of 2 into the table. But for the y column, we can plug in any number we choose. And with vertical lines, all vertical lines will have all vertical lines are parallel to the y-axis. All vertical lines are parallel to the y-axis. And let me go up here and let me spell out the word R at the top, okay, instead of A. All vertical lines are parallel to the y-axis. So here again, we still can plot these points. X is equal to some number. It's a vertical line. It's going to have an undefined slope. So we have 2, 0, 2, -2, 2, 5. We can use a table of values, or we can remember again this concept. And we plot the points. And there we go. That is our vertical line for x is equal to 2.